Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2012 Chevrolet Orlando VCDI in metallic grey finish with the 18-inch of Chevrolet alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels of the vehicle are in good condition and it's got roof rails and rear parking sensors. This is a 5-door 7-seater MPV. I'm gonna demonstrate the rear two seats for you. Very easy to use. Some storage department over there. It's got split folding rear seats. As you can see, I can just put them up by one hand. Very easy. I do guarantee about the condition of the vehicle. It's in lovely condition and it is fully loaded. And the front view of the vehicle is got front forks. Contrasting full leather interior with 7 headrests. The leather is in lovely condition. It's got some handles on the sides of the seats. Eyes fixed for child seat preparation on the rear seats. And a center armrest with some cup holders. Very good size of a leg room, and for your safety it's got front, side and rear airbags. That's the passenger one, driver airbag. Over there on the sides it's got another airbags. And in this corner it's got airbags on the side of the seats. And over there, not sure if the camera can catch that, on the both sides it's got airbags as well. And this is the finish of the doors. It's got speakers on the rear doors, a cup holder, and the next to the handle it's got some leather and a child lock, of course. So here we have the electric windows, folding mirrors, auto headlights, and the condition of the seats. Once we step in, as you can see, it's got a 6-speed manual transmission, a multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side. Then here in the middle we have some cup holders, some storage department, a driver side armrest which is adjustable. I said it is fully loaded, so it's got heated seats. They are very rare on the Orlandos. Then it's got air conditioning with a climate control. A satellite navigation. You don't see that often on the Orlandos. There we go. And then it's got AM/FM radio and then it's got a CD player, a traction control. If you open this, as you can see, it's got some hidden storage department in there. The SD card for the navigation goes in there. It's got auxiliary and a USB slot in there as well. Not sure if the camera is gonna be able to catch that. I guess you can see it. It's got auto rear view dimming mirror as well. All you're gonna need, and then we have the user manual and the box of the SD card for the sat nav, and the locking wheel nuts are in there as well. Let's see what we have under the bonnet. It's gonna be a bit difficult by one hand. So there we go. This was the video walk around of the 2012 Chevrolet Orlando VCDI. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.